Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to scan documents on iPhone and save as PDF. We'll be using our Notes app, so right away we'll be opening it and we have a new note right here. Then you're going to tap on the attach icon right there and you have some options. We're going to select scan documents. And as you can see, just by hovering over the area of the document, you can see that it's being able to scan a document. It's scanned the second one, so we're going to say save. So now that you have the scanned document, what you need to do is to tap on the drop down just at the top area where you can see scanned document. You can see an arrow pointing down, tap on it, and then you can see the share button there. So tap on share. And here you can see at the top scanned document PDF document. So what this means is it automatically saved as a PDF and you can go over to your options and save to your files as a PDF automatically. So tap on files and you can save it anywhere in your file folder right here on your iPhone. So this is how to scan documents on iPhone and save as PDF.